Welcome to our capsule experience here at Hotel Seoul. This is the toilet. Guys, may toilet dito, oh. Okay, the toilet is nice naman. And then there's a shower here, oh. Dito ang shower, dito ang tae, okay? And these are the capsule. Wow! Ate Tere, that's your capsule here. Keep quiet, no smoking, mind your step, do not disturb. Wow! And then this is gonna be Pristine's area. There's a second floor later, they're gonna fix it, okay? And then look, what do we have here? There's a towel, chairs, toothpaste, and ayan. Toothbrush, may toothbrush din pala. Okay, inside the capsule, aba may card. And then there's a music. Hoy, there's ano dito? What is this? Room temp and then ventilation. You can change the color. We are now here inside the capsule and then you can close the capsule.
Help me, help me with the marshmallow.
Pwede naman. Nako, hindi ko nga na ano ko.
Nilalaro ng dinner nila Ate Tere, tsaka Christine and Zane.
Open. Hi, Seth.
Hi.
Where is Shane? Shanky, open the door.
Yon. Open your door, sir. Close the door now.
Okay, go up na, Seth.
Okay. Hello, Pete.
Alright. Alright. Welcome to the capsule. Welcome to Japan. We are now in Japan. And everybody got a capsule in here. And Daddy Mike is just right here. And he doesn't want to open. Happy Valentine's Day.